In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dark mode in GitHub. As we navigate this process, you'll find that it's quite straightforward and doesn't take much time. So let's dive right in and walk through these simple steps. First, you'll want to start by locating your profile picture. It's situated conveniently in the top right corner of your GitHub interface. Clicking your profile picture will open a drop-down menu, presenting a variety of options for you to manage your account and settings. From this menu, you'll want to find and click on the Settings option. This will direct you to the main settings page, where you can manage all sorts of configurations for your GitHub account, ranging from personal details to more advanced customization. Once you're in the settings menu, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find different categories of settings that you can adjust. You'll want to search for the option labeled Appearance. Clicking on Appearance will bring you to the section focused on the visual settings of your GitHub experience, which includes adjusting the theme that you prefer. Now, you will see the theme preferences right in the middle of this section. This is where the magic happens. Under Theme Preferences, you're presented with several options regarding how GitHub looks on your screen. If your current environment is set to dark mode and you're looking to switch back to a lighter theme, simply select GitHub Light. It's worth noting that the change in theme is instantaneous, so you should notice the switch right away. You'll see the white or brighter colors come back on your display immediately. Sometimes, depending on your device or web browser, you may need to refresh the page to apply the new theme setting across all GitHub pages completely. However, in most cases, this change to your account settings is synchronized automatically, so no additional actions are required. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off dark mode and switched to a light theme in GitHub. This new setting should make viewing your projects, codes, and repositories much more comfortable if you find a lighter background easier on your eyes or better suited to your environment. Remember, you're always welcome to revisit the Appearance section to switch themes, as GitHub allows you to toggle between dark and light modes as your preferences change. And there you have it. Tidying up your look in GitHub is as easy as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope our guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy coding!